We're playing new Malden level crossing. It's by the same person as the last one we did. Oh yeah, why? I don't get why this piece of grass moves. It's a bit weird. Yeah, and I got to push the wave button like I had to last time to make the barriers go up. There you go. They're a bit slow sometimes. Right, so first we're gonna send a train on the bridge. So I'll send that one, and boom, 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 and boom. Yeah, and what about this? There we go. And this one. And this one. And this. Yes, that's all of them. Sent. Oh! That train starting to come got lower. Here, first we'll view in the middle. So we have the light on this side as well for some reason. No light. Oh, the alarms just changed. Right. So they're going down. Oh geez. Right, now we can go wave. Wait, so they're waving, huh? Right. Now I'm gonna view over here now. This home, that one's coming, it's starting to pull up. And there's also one comes on the bridge. Two come on the bridge as well as that happens. So we come over here, a light here, and a light there. This alarm's high pitch. So this gate going. Yeah, they're weird ones. Also the skirts are anchored skirts. Right, this one's going down. This one's faster than that barrier. And this one will get down before it. The other one does. Right. Well, now we have. Well, here's the trouble. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get over. No, I shouldn't. So I might have to call one of my friends. Yeah. Sorry guys, but I couldn't. But I mean, I could have. But I mean, it would be good. Yes. From the signal box as. Oh yeah, that's the trouble though, that. Because you can't just use teleport to get there. Yeah, that's the only trouble. I could view this bit, no. Because that'd be bad. Oh, another one coming on the bridge. That one, oh, there's one there coming. And one there coming. And one there. And one there. And one there. And one there. Oh! That one's coming. That's good because it'll be easier. No. Be harder. No, that one's coming. So that's perspective. I'm just walking and crossing something. I walk across again. You see, that one's gonna get down first. I know that one's getting down first. Yeah, that's the only trouble though. I don't have enough time to get down. Wait, no, I can just. view down here. Yeah, so you get what it'd be like. Right, so now I'm gonna ways. Thank you for watching. No! I don't want. Wait, what? Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye. What did I just do?